Hello, Anna. How are you today? Hello, Anna. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Canada. I live in Canada.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
I work in a school. I work in a school.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. Yes, I like my job.
What do you do after work? What do you do after work?
After work, I rest and cook. After work, I rest and cook.
What food do you like to cook? What food do you like to cook?
I like to cook rice and chicken. I like to cook rice and chicken.
Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym twice a week. Yes, I go to the gym twice a week.
Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance?
No, I don't like to dance. No, I don't like to dance.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters. Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is in May. My birthday is in May.
Do you like to read? Do you like to read?
Yes, I like to read books. Yes, I like to read books.
Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies at night. Yes, I watch movies at night.
Do you have pets? Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
How do you go to the market? How do you go to the market?
I go by car. I go by car.
What do you buy at the market? What do you buy at the market?
I buy vegetables and fruit. I buy vegetables and fruit.
Do you study English? Do you study English?
Yes, I study English every day. Yes, I study English every day.
How do you practice English? How do you practice English?
I practice by speaking and watching videos. I practice by speaking and watching videos.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What do you like to do on weekends? What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to go to the park or watch TV. I like to go to the park or watch TV.
What are your dreams? What are your dreams?
My dream is to travel to India. My dream is to travel to India.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football. Yes, I like football.
Do you watch sports on TV? Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch football on TV. Yes, I watch football on TV.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer.
Do you like winter? Do you like winter?
No, I don't like winter. No, I don't like winter.
What do you do when it rains? What do you do when it rains?
When it rains, I read a book. When it rains, I read a book.
Do you like to cook with friends? Do you like to cook with friends?
Yes, I like cooking with friends. Yes, I like cooking with friends.
What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice. My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you drink coffee every day? Do you drink coffee every day?
No, I don't drink coffee every day. No, I don't drink coffee every day.
Do you like to travel by plane? Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like to travel by plane. Yes, I like to travel by plane.
Have you been to the mountains? Have you been to the mountains?
No, I have never been to the mountains. No, I have never been to the mountains.
Do you like animals? Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals a lot. Yes, I like animals a lot.
Do you want to have a pet? Do you want to have a pet?
Yes, I want to have a dog. Yes, I want to have a dog.
What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like to listen to music when you work? Do you like to listen to music when you work?
Yes, I like music when I work. Yes, I like music when I work.
What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music. I listen to pop music.
Do you like to watch movies or series? Do you like to watch movies or series?
I like both, but I prefer series. I like both, but I prefer series.
What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen. My favorite movie is Frozen.
Do you like to go to the theater? Do you like to go to the theater?
Yes, I go to the theater sometimes. Yes, I go to the theater sometimes.
What do you like to do on holidays? What do you like to do on holidays?
I like to visit my family. I like to visit my family.
Do you like to learn new things? Do you like to learn new things?
Yes, I love learning new things. Yes, I love learning new things.
What is your favorite subject in school? What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was English. My favorite subject was English.
Do you use the internet to learn? Do you use the internet to learn?
Yes, I use YouTube to learn. Yes, I use YouTube to learn.
Do you have a favorite book? Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite book is The Little Prince. Yes, my favorite book is The Little Prince.
Do you like to write stories? Do you like to write stories?
Yes, I like to write short stories. Yes, I like to write short stories.
What do you do to relax? What do you do to relax?
I like to listen to music and walk. I like to listen to music and walk.
Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance with friends. Yes, I like to dance with friends.
Do you like parties? Do you like parties?
Yes, I enjoy parties. Yes, I enjoy parties.
What do you like to wear? What do you like to wear?
I like to wear jeans and t-shirts. I like to wear jeans and t-shirts.
Do you like to shop for clothes? Do you like to shop for clothes?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes. Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
What is your favorite place in your city? What is your favorite place in your city?
My favorite place is the beach. My favorite place is the beach.
Do you like to take photos? Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I love taking photos. Yes, I love taking photos.
Do you like to use social media? Do you like to use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook. Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook.
What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends?
I go out with friends or watch movies. I go out with friends or watch movies.
Do you like to cook new recipes? Do you like to cook new recipes?
Yes, I like to try new recipes. Yes, I like to try new recipes.
What is your favorite holiday? What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like to give gifts? Do you like to give gifts?
Yes, I like to give small gifts. Yes, I like to give small gifts.
What is your favorite season to travel? What is your favorite season to travel?
I like to travel in summer. I like to travel in summer.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the beach. I prefer the beach.
Have you ever been to a concert? Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I went to a concert last year. Yes, I went to a concert last year.
Do you like to sing? Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing. Yes, I like to sing.
Do you play any instruments? Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't play instruments. No, I don't play instruments.
What do you want to do in the future? What do you want to do in the future?
I want to open my own business. I want to open my own business.
That is a good dream. That is a good dream.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you next time. Thank you. See you next time.
See you next time. See you next time.
Welcome to English by Tony.